Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen, and I am your chef ANUPAM. Thank you so much for your love, blessing, and especially guiding us to do better in our future. And we are keeping in mind all the suggestions that you are giving, and we will be trying to implement them in our videos. So here we are today with one of the delicacy of French cuisine, that is prawn bisque. It is a very delicious soup that we're going to prepare, and to help me on this dish we have Sakshi and on cam. So chef, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to prepare prawn bisque. Now what is bisque?
So bisque is a shellfish based soup.
Very nice, it's a shellfish based soup. Now there are various kinds of bisque that can be prepared, but generally we use crustaceans. And if you remember in the video of cuts of fish, I have showed you what are the different kinds of crustaceans are there that you can use for making this soup. You can use lobster, you can use crab, you can use crayfish, crawfish or prawns. So we are making here today using prawns. What is prawns called in French?
Crevettes.
Very nice, crevettes roses. If you call this soup in French, bisque the crevettes will be the name. We are naming it English, and that is prawn bisque. Now whenever you will cook the shellfish or crustacean, they turn into orange color, and it is because of the presentation of, there is a one pigment present in them. It is astaxanthin which is present, which turns it into orange in color. So to prepare this soup we need prawn shells. Now here you see I am using prawn heads. Okay, now prawn heads will add extra taste because a lot of things are there inside the head which will add taste to your soup. So please use prawn heads along with all the shells. With this I am adding merpua, which consists of carrot, onion, leeks and celery. I am also using garlic, whole garlic, which I have cut into half to add flavor. Now addition of garlic and tomato puree is there in American cuisine. In American way of making prawn bisque, you will see that these two ingredients are added. Some chefs avoid using tomato puree and garlic, so it's all upon you that whether you want to use or not. Again I am using bouquet garni to flavor, which consists of bay leaf, peppercorn, parsley stalk and thyme. You can add any more ingredients as per your choice. And to thicken the soup I am using shortgrain rice. Now some of the chefs, they use roux for thickening this. Some chefs use bear money to thicken these soups. Now again it depends upon you what thickening you want to use for thickening of your prawn bisque. But remember, the actual soup, the traditional soup is made by using rice. Then we will be using cream, fresh cream and butter to finish our soup, salt and pepper for seasoning, and to plate we will be using prawns flour. And how to, these are the blanched prawns flours. How to make this prawns flours I have already explained in my video of cuts of fish, so please follow from there. I have also some blanched prawns which I will chop and mix it with red, yellow, green capsicum and use to prepare an island wide presentation of soup. So let's start to prepare the soup. First thing what we will have, we will heat a heavy bottom pan. Once your pan is hot, we will add little bit of oil and butter. Now you can only use butter also, but there are chances that butter will burn. So make sure that you mix oil along with butter. That will give you more time for cooking and it will not burn also. Once the oil is hot, I am putting garlic upside down. Now see how I have you added in this. So this will give you a very nice burnt garlic flavor to your soup. After that we will add merpua, carrot, onion, leeks and celery, all in equal quantity. For around half an kg of shells I am using 200 grams of merpua. Please saute it. Once it is slightly brown, we will add the shells of the prawns. Please saute it. You will see that it will start turning into orange color. some tomato puree. Two tablespoons, around 30 to 40 gram of tomato puree you have to add. I am adding bouquet garni, bay leaf, peppercorn, parsley stem and thyme. It is also called parsley stalk. The nice smell is coming from this. So this is what you have to get. Now we'll add, once your tomato puree is little bit sauteed, we will add rice. Now here I am putting the rice along with the prawns. You can also cook rice separately and add to your soup, or you can thicken your soup using any other thickening agent like roux, vermouth or slurry or any other ingredient. I am thickening it with rice. Actually, the classical prawn bisque is prepared by thickening of rice. And then I will add fish stock. This is fish stock which I have made. How to prepare white stock, the video is already uploaded. Some chefs use chicken stock because chicken has a very neutral flavor, but I would suggest that you use fish stock. We have added the fish stock. Now we have to cook this soup for at least 45 minutes on a very slow fire, so that all the flavor of prawns is released into water, and rice is also properly cooked, and it should be get mashed in this only, so that your soup becomes thin. Now our soup has simmered for around 40 to 45 minutes. You see that the rice is almost cooked. It has an orange color and it started to getting thickened. So what we have to do, we have to take a masher and mash it in this only, so that all the flavor of prawns is released. Nicely you have to mash it, and after that we will strain this through conical strainer. Now we have to take out as much as juice is possible from this by nicely breaking all the prawns heads, which we have already done with the help of masher. The more flavor will be released if you take out all the juices from it. After straining the soup, you have to heat it properly, then season it a little bit. Moderately you have to season, because we are going to add salted butter in this in the last, so moderately you have to season. Add some fresh cream. See that it has a very orange color. Mind blowing. I was going to say that if you require, you can season more. Check for the seasoning, final seasoning. Now my seasoning is done. Now we are ready to plate our prawn bisque. Our soup plating is ready, and as you know that to taste the soup every day we call a very connoisseurs. So today I have with me Chef Sandeepan. We also call him Chef Sandy, who is a celebrity chef of IHM Hajipur. So please, chef, taste this prawn bisque and let us know how is the taste, sir.
First of all, Chef Anupam, congrats to you for making such a wonderful dish.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm a bit confused, you know why?
Yes, sir.
Because this is looking so beautiful that I feel from where to start. I don't want to spoil the beauty of this.
Thank you so much, sir.
So this is a lesson for all the viewers that you should learn that plate is a canvas and you are the artist. All the ingredients are different colors, and we are at our freedom like a painter to express our artistic approach on the plate. So it's a wonderful, and जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. In Hindi we all know this. So it's looking fantastic, awesome.
Thank you so much,
Now
chef.
is the time to taste this. Let me start with this crunchy. Yummy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
The melted cheese, crunchiness of the bread, the color, golden, white and green on the top, fantastic, and it is satisfying that texture need of mine. I think, chef, with these prawns, it's going to give a better taste. This is again marvelous that you have made. All the senses of my tongue, it's a tongue twister actually. The real taste of bisque, the mince of the meat, prawns, and crunchiness of this coral, and this piece, the crouton. Everything is so beautiful, so fantastic, and I'm sure that this is going to be a masterpiece. Once again, congratulations to you for making such a wonderful dish, and keep going on, keep rocking.
Thank you so much, Chef Sandy, the celebrity chef of IHM Hajipur. That was the comment you heard from him. And trust me guys, it's a very delicious dish which you all can prepare at your home. So with this, we would like to say goodbye to you along with me, Chef Sakshi, and on camera we have SAHARSH Tiwari. We would like to thank you for watching the video, and please like, comment and subscribe our channel so that we can come with many more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much. Namaste.